Hey traders, welcome back to another Bullish Bears tutorial video. I'm your host Kevin Dubrisky, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your Tradovate credentials when you purchase a Tradovate account on Apex. I'm also going to be showing you how to give access to TradingView so you could link your Tradovate and TradingView account. So to access our Tradovate credentials or Rhythmic, whichever account we do have, we're going to click Login. From here, it's going to give us our dashboard, and on the right hand side, it's going to give us our Tradovate account information. This will give us our username and password. This is the information we need to log into Tradovate. Next, we're going to take those Tradovate login credentials and come to our Tradovate platform and log in using them. From here, we're going to hit simulation mode. We're going to hit launch because this is an Apex account, so it is a sim account. Once you're logged into your Apex account on Tradovate, we're going to come to the top right and click on Application Settings. From here, we're going to come over to the Add-ons tab, and we're going to come down to wherever TradingView is. Now, I have it activated already, but it's free to activate when you have an Apex account, so you're going to click Activate, and at that point, you're able to log in with your Tradovate credentials on TradingView and place your trades there. Now I'm going to show you how to log into your Tradovate account on the TradingView platform. So here we have TradingView, and we're going to come down to Trading Panel. From here, it gives us a wide variety of different brokers we could connect. For today, we're going to do Tradovate. Now it's going to pop up some information. If you have logged into your Apex account already in the past, sometimes it does save that. So we're going to log in with the same credentials that were given to us for our Tradovate account, because remember, we're logging into Tradovate, we're just using the TradingView platform. So once we're logged in, we get access to our account, we're able to click the trade button, we're able to trade right here on TradingView instead of having to trade on Tradovate. Alright guys, a little bonus content for you. I'm going to show you how to place orders with Tradovate logged into your TradingView. So the first thing you could do is, with our cursor on the screen, we could right click and it gives us the option to execute a trade. We could do a sell limit, a buy stop. Now the reason it's a buy stop up here is because it's above where price is currently trading at. If we were below where price is currently trading at, it would be a buy limit and a sell stop, so those flipped. Now if I click either of them, it's not going to work because the markets are currently closed. Right now I'm recording this, it is Saturday in the evening. Markets don't open till Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern. But another way we can do this is we could use the little plus icon and we could click create new order. At this point we see our little depth of market and order panel pop up on our right hand side. From here we could choose between a sell or a buy, limit or market, and we could also change where our stop loss is. So let's say we wanted to short these highs over here, we could set it to sell. I could drag my stop loss to above those highs and my take profit to the next pivot low, and I would look for this short position. Now without hitting sell, you're not going to activate. Right now this is just a potential order. If I click sell, these limit orders will activate and they will be placed there in the market. Right now, like I said before, it's not going to work because market is closed, but that's one way, well, a few ways you could enter trades on TradingView with your Tradovate Apex account. Hope this video helped, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'll link another great video on how to use the TradingView tool position, and that's this position right here to know how many contracts you're supposed to be trading. Alright, take care, happy trading, and I'll see you guys next time.